Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
All right. I'm on Facebook Live.
we on Facebook.
We on Facebook Live.
See, there you go. We on Facebook Live, New Creation Construction out here with Miss Johnson. We making it happen. Anybody on there, y'all want to, get y'all properties done right, we do it.
Okay. How y'all doing?
Hello, how are you?
Good. That's all you workers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some more in the house.
Hello.
That's my project manager, Carl, right there.
Hey, Carl.
This is my nephew, Will.
Hey, nephew.
My nephew, Jonathan.
Hey, nephew Johnson. Okay, look at that. A family business. Okay, look at you. All right.
I know you remember last time you walked in
Yeah.
here.
Oh, it's a lot better. Okay. Y'all gonna take the refrigerator?
Yeah, scrap guy coming to get the refrigerator.
Okay.
Yeah, but we get.
And y'all gonna take that too?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Well,
It look a lot better.
What my plan was on the next go round was demoing the kitchen, taking all the cabinets and everything out. Because I know all that got to go new.
Oh, you don't think we can save it?
We can't save that.
Yeah.
We ain't saving that.
I
mean,
not,
it's up to you now.
Not even to like reface it. No, to be honest, just.
I wouldn't.
Okay.
I wouldn't.
Okay. Because the more, it is what it is. It ain't my money, so.
Yeah, but we want to turn a good product. We want to turn something that's everything fresh, because the one thing is, with the amount of work that we have to do, if we end up leaving this, they'll be like, well, why did you go so far here, but then you left this?
That's this right here. Okay, yeah. Because this is going to be, because it's a full renovation, but it's going to be a rental. And I need to do like a cash out refinance in order to, get rid or to pay the people back, get my profit, and get my money back too, and everything. So, of course, y'all still getting
your return.
Yeah, I'm making my return. But I still want to be able to make sure that it's a reasonable price too, where I can still rent it out and get a profit,
Oh, yeah.
So.
Yeah, because in here, I'm thinking putting some cabinets over or either one of them shelves, just over the washer and the dryer.
Okay.
Change out, because see, we couldn't see that, so we got to change out the house in there.
Yeah, because this is the washer and dryer. Okay. They look a lot better. Oh my God.
And what I'm thinking is, I think we should close this off.
Close that off?
Door,
okay.
right here. I think we should close that off to make it
more private?
Not a master. Because usually masters enter in the other rooms.
Okay.
But I will close this off here. I would possibly take this closet out and extend it over here to give you more room.
More room over there? Okay. Okay.
That's just my opinion,
Okay, is there gonna be a lot? Is gonna be a lot of additional work or whatever, or?
I'm not thinking it is.
Okay.
Because now that I see that the floors aren't damaged the way I thought they might have been, then I think we could save in some areas with doing things. Upgrades that'll maximize your return.
Okay. Now, because I also want to make sure I have because I was thinking about waterproof luxury vinyl.
Yeah, LBS.
All the way through the house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'd be much easier.
I would possibly do the LVL in the living room, kitchen, then down the hallway, and do carpet in the rooms.
Carpet in the room? See, when I said I don't know about the carpet in the room because it's gonna be a rental, and I don't want to feel like having to clean up the carpets and everything all the time.
Yeah, but your bedroom's where you're gonna get your most damage. So then, if you gotta replace that, look at the amount of flooring you gotta tear up.
Okay.
If you get a burn or somebody smoke and they drop a cigarette and burn the floor and stuff like that, that's.
Okay. Would it be cheaper if I do everything else, but then the carpet in the bedroom, or would it be, more expensive?
It'd be a lot cheaper if you did carpet in the bedroom.
Okay. Well, then we're gonna do carpet in the bedroom then.
Okay.
That's all you got to say. Let me see.
I would pull that bathroom. Probably save the tub.
You can get that cleaned up and then whiten it and everything.
But I hadn't been in there.
Ew, I hate this towel.
Oh yeah, we didn't change each other out.
Yeah, that gotta go.
Full gut the bathroom.
Yeah. See that cold tube on that stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah. Definitely get rid of that toilet.
And I go with a shorter vanity.
Mm-hmm.
I would do a shorter vanity. Probably a 36 or even a 48.
Mm-hmm.
That'll stop about here to give you a little more room there.
Okay.
But then it'll also look better and make the bathroom look bigger.
Okay. That'll work. Okay.
The doors look like they're in good shape.
Mm-hmm. So you probably salvage it and clean it up and paint it or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, save some money on that. How about this? Because this is kind of like old-fashioned, like how this is made.
Yeah, what I would do is I would take this wall out here.
Mm-hmm. And make it bigger?
Make it bigger.
Yeah.
Go with a 36-inch vanity there, and instead of doing a tub here, I do a shower.
A shower? Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That picture that I showed you, remember when I showed the picture and everything? Yeah, like that.
Yep.
Can be a shower and we be able to sit down in it too if you want?
Yeah, we can put a bench on the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then it'll be bigger, so it'll be like, this is the master bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Definitely get rid of this toilet. Ew.
Yeah.
Okay, look at you, Mr. Chris.
I told you I was coming in.
Come on now, look at you.
The dumpster was dropped at 7 o'clock this morning.
Mm-hmm. 7 o'clock this morning. Okay.
It's 12 o'clock and we trashed out.
Y'all trash it out. That's good. Y'all, shoot.
Told you I don't play no games.
Don't play no games.
None.
Tuesday, I said, you know what, Chris, I'm going to have to go. Let's go ahead and go with you.
I know.
I'm like that. And then all season, okay then. Next thing you know, bam.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Now, I do not want a formal dining room. Nobody does formal dining room. I don't want that.
Okay.
So, oh yeah, and then get rid of this.
Oh yeah. All that's on the next phase of, that's on the construction part.
Yes, I was going to just make this like a little home office. So, with it being a home office, what do you think about that?
Well,
or do you think I should just not worry about it?
Because of the size of this room, what I probably would do, because you can't get a couch in here, I would probably
take that out
this back off
and make it bigger.
But then I would take this wall out.
Take that wall out too?
Yeah. And then I would do this as an island.
Okay, so this means like an open concept kitchen?
The kitchen,
So it'd be like open concept kitchen?
That's what I would think, but then that's on the, what do you want to do? You know what I'm saying? That's as far as, because I remember you was telling me about you possibly moving here. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I ain't gonna do it.
Okay, so
I'm moving into a brand new house next year.
Okay, so we're gonna leave this wall here. We're gonna leave that open, and just like it is, we're gonna go in and do a quick little renovation.
Well, let me tell you, because this inches is so small, I wanted to cut this wall off, make it bigger all the way to like here.
We can do that.
Yeah, open it out.
Yeah,
that's what I want. But this part right here, do you think I should make it like, in order to be like a bigger?
Well, once we take this drywall off, we'll see where if we can push this all the way to here. If we can push that all the way to there, then we'll open this up. Okay. And then we'll have that open. If you decide you want to do that, just let me know. Think about it. Let me know what you think.
Okay. I want to make sure that I'm not utilizing all of the money. I want to at least have a nice, decent profit or a little return, but still be able to be, be able to attract people who want to move in here.
Well, the one thing I would do is definitely get this popcorn off.
Oh, yes.
All of this out.
I hate popcorn.
Put some recessed lights in here and update it. Yeah,
update it for sure. Okay. See, it looks a lot better than I thought. I was kind of scared. Okay.
But you got to get into it. You got to get into it, and you got to have a vision of where, even with all of that trash in here, you have to have the vision of completion. If a person can't have the vision of completion, they can't see that.
Yeah.
And with all of this open up, new paint, new windows, new this, new that, it's gonna look different.
Better, but it's gonna look better though, a lot better, right?
Yep.
And you say you're gonna take this wall out right here.
I'm gonna try to take it to here because this is load bearing.
Okay.
This is definitely load bearing.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to go in here and put a beam in.
Put a beam in there. Okay. But I definitely don't want no formal dining room right here.
Yeah.
Let that go. Okay. All right.
This all how you stay. Well, you're gonna do it. So, I mean,
But I do want to. I wanted to stage it too, and you know, get my property manager to take pictures of it, so that when they go, because this is considering what the renovation part going to be. I know that the rent going to have to be a little bit higher than what I would normally put it as.
so
Because I want to make a
I
profit.
need to meet with your property manager to get her or him idea of what they would see that would maximize the way they do their company. You know, it's some companies that, you know, they'll just come in here and say whatever and you get this amount of rent.
Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good job, New Creation Construction. General contractor.
Yes, ma'am.
Owner Chris Green,
Yes, ma'am.
who happens to be my tax-related husband.
Yes, ma'am. You need your taxes done. Pro Touch Tax and Accounting, 1624 Decker Boulevard, right across from the Speeds gas station.
Exactly. It's good though. Y'all did good. I'm
Now,
telling you.
one thing I did want to ask you about is
Okay, baby, I'm about to get up. All right, y'all. Thank y'all. Bye. Okay.